Our application allows a trained person using a VR device to join the world of a HoloLens user and assist him in solving a maintenance task. His position is represented by hand and head models. The VR user can place 3D markers into the world of the AR user. He can later move their position, change their size and delete them. He can choose different markers from a menu. A screen shows the AR view to allow the VR user to better understand his current situation and give better feedback. The VR user can also set the task to the next step, which is also displayed to the AR user. Now let's see the application in a real-world scenario. The footage was captured during a trial run of our user study. The first step is to mark the machine that requires maintenance. Then the AR user can connect to the VR user.
Hallo?
Hi.
Immediately the AR user's world is sent to the VR user and the voice and video transmission begins.
Hier. Kannst du die Schraube lösen, bitte?
Ja.
In this scenario, the task was to swap the hard drive of a computer with a new one. Using markers, the VR user guides the AR user from step to step.
Und würdest du die beiden bitte lösen?
Later on, he uses the AR view to better guide the HoloLens user. The UI on the HoloLens can be hidden when it obstructs the view too much. In this case, it makes it easier for the AR user to align and screw the hard drive.